Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is an organ grinder with his monkey. Normally these monkeys were capuchin monkeys, and if memory serves me correct, they're the only monkey that enjoys swimming and can swim. Well, this is October in North Carolina, and this is a state fair memory. When I was a little boy, we were at the state fair, and a guy had an organ grinder much like this and a little monkey. Well, he was running around with a cup getting coins from people. Well, my daddy gave me a washer to give to the monkey. And, well, I handed it to the monkey. He looked at it. He knew that weren't what he was supposed to have, and he threw it back at us. And the man just shook his head. He didn't say nothing. He didn't call us out, but that kind of got my tolerance level for monkeys at all-time low. I had another memory about monkeys, and it happened later in life, but it was mysteriously taken down for some reason. I don't know. But I hadn't seen any organ grinders at the fair in years. I don't go every year. Every 5 years I might go. And it's just too much of a crowd, parking, and gosh, it's just too much for me. But they had a lot of curiosities and stuff at the state fair, and I'll be sharing some more memories. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.